Hiyish you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique and I'm back with an unboxing. So I was thinking I really need a colorful spring slash summer bag, and after cleaning out my closet last week, I realized that I really become like a basic bitch. Like, all of my accessories are neutrals, and I think I did that more so that I can mix and match outfits easily, which it works, but it really kind of makes my wardrobe kind of boring. So I've been really wanting to add like a colorful bag, and I'm not supposed to be spending any money right now, so that's the reason why I opted for this bag, because one, it comes in a lot of bright colorful colors. Two, it's very affordable, and three, it's a black owned business, so, or it's a black designer, so that's the reason why I went with the Telfar shopping bag. So I still do want to get a couple of other bags, but I wasn't really trying to spend a lot of money. But in the future, I definitely do want to get, I was looking at the Jacquemus. I don't know what that bag is called. It has the, it's like a crossbody, but it also has a top handle, comes in a lot of different bright colors. It's either going to be that or the Balenciaga hourglass on a chain. So I don't know which one of those bags that I want to get. They both come in some really pretty bright colors, and I'm looking for something maybe pink or blue. I don't know. If you're familiar with either one of those bags, let me know down in the comments below which bag would you get, because I'm kind of torn. I know I want to get one or the other, but for right now, we're going to unbox this bag. And I actually had to order this off of Stockx. And I don't know if you're familiar with Stockx. I know it more so from my son, because sometimes he orders shoes from there. Like if there's a shoe that's hard to get, it's exclusive, or it's not selling in the stores right now, you can go on Stockx and buy it, but it's usually at some type of premium. It kind of trades like the stock market, like if it's in real high demand, is at a higher price. But you can also, you know, you can also bid like a lower price. I ended up just buying this at the ask, which was $50 over what you would normally pay for it. I didn't think it was that bad, but we're gonna look at the quality of this bag and see if I regret it. But yeah, I had to end up buying it off of Stockx because I just, look, I can't do all that drops and all that. I don't know. I'm not about to do that. So it is what it is. So anyways, yeah, I ordered this off Stockx. It just came in this box, and it looks like it came in a duster. And again, Stockx, like usually they're like a third party. So you're buying this bag, they send it to Stockx to authenticate it, and then Stockx sends it to you. So it's kind of how it goes. But yeah, I got it in this, I believe this color is called, is it Margarine? I think it's Margarine, I think. But yeah, it's this bright yellow color. It's cute. I thought it was gonna be a little bit larger than this, but I like the color. That's a really fun color for spring, summer, and that's what I was really looking for. I like say hi, Oreo. Oh. Okay, the mailman rolled past, and that's the reason why Oreo is going crazy. But anyways, this is the bag. Hopefully you can see it. I know that they say that it's a vegan leather. I really don't like that term. It's like, say what it is. Say what it is. But it really doesn't feel bad, actually. It's a very tiny little cute little bag. Yeah, very simple on the inside. I don't think there's no pockets or anything. Very simple. It has the strap. I'm going to show you what can fit inside this bag, and I'll try it on for you. So you can carry it like this, or you can also wear it crossbody. So let me show you how it looks crossbody. I'm gonna angle this in a way so that you can see my dirty room. Look, this actually matches my daughter's Crocs perfectly, so maybe she might want to wear this sometime. But anyways, she's not into purses and stuff like that yet. But this is how it looks crossbody. That's cute. I like crossbody bags, so I think that's cute. It falls at a decent spot. Yeah, I love the pop of color. I love that. Yeah, I love that. I'm sorry, my mirror is right here. So once I'm dressed a little cuter, I think that'll be really cute. I like it. I actually really like it. I didn't know what to expect. Ooh, yeah, I look a mess today, so don't mind me. But yeah, I really do like it, and has the little Telfar logo. Very cute. I like it. I like it so far. Let's see what can fit in it. I don't really carry too much in my bags, and like I said, I really do like the small bags. So what I usually carry is this. Like, I know this looks like your grandma's coin purse. I have an older mother, so I appreciate these little coin purses. But yeah, ever since I started wearing like smaller bags, I've been I ended up getting this. I used to carry like a wallet when I carried larger bags, but now that I carry smaller bags, I just carry something like this, and I got this off of Amazon. It's not the cutest, but it does the job. I have my little Carmex. I'm a basic bitch. I said that earlier. So I don't do like a lot of makeup and all that kind of stuff, obviously. But yeah, I can put my cards in here. Got my vaccination card. You know, if I need to fit some cash in here, that can fit. And it also has a little key. Can you move? So yeah, it has like a little keychain holder, and I just put my my keys on, my key fob on there. And when I switch bags from day to day, this is really all I need. So for me anyway. So can this fit? Where is my phone? Little hand sanitizer. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so I got a phone that fits in there pretty good. Can still fit in some gum. I usually have some gum. I don't have gum right now, but yeah, that fits in there. Let me see. Can I? Ooh, but oh, it's a little stuffed. It's a little stuff. Maybe if I took the hand sanitizer out, I'll be able to pop it. I'll say that's the only thing that I don't like about it. And that's just a preference. Like, I don't really care for, like, I guess shopping bag, tote style bags where it's just open like this. Yeah. Other than that, I absolutely love the color. I don't think the material is that bad so far. It's too stinking cute, and I can't wait to wear it this spring and summer. I hope that you found this video helpful if you were deciding whether or not you should get a Telfar bag. I'm sure I know there's a million other reviews, but yeah, this is a beautiful color. Let me get my little, what you call it? What is it called? Let me get my little thumbnail. Hopefully one of those works. But anyways, thank you for viewing this video. Until next time, peace out.